Today we're going to be working on a project that I used to call the anti-aircraft system, but now I guess I'm going to call it the anti-alien spaceship system. What I like to do with complex projects especially is show you what the end result of the project will be, and then we'll go through it step by step. So the first thing to notice is that there is this control station here, which is a building, and on top of the building it has this kind of radar beacon. And the radar beacon sends out these bursts of radar, which are very fast because radar should be going kind of the speed of light. And when a radar ball hits an object, like it hits this little spaceship, the balls bounce back to the control station. Then, when the balls come back to the control station, that controls something else called the missiles. And the missiles shoot off in the same direction that the balls were traveling. So, if a ball comes back this way, the missile is going to go exactly this way. It then hits some of the missiles hit the little alien ships, and when the alien ships are hit, they kind of explode. There's this little mini explosion that maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. And also, of course, there are alien ships that come along. They start anywhere along here, either low or high, and then they move at a random speed, somewhat random speed, to a random place somewhere in the screen. I'm going to sneeze now. Excuse me, that's not part of the project. The last thing that you can do is you can count how many aliens go across the screen and how many are destroyed, and keep a tally of what percentage of the aliens you are actually able to destroy with your system. All of this is a intro into a discussion about autonomous weapons. So we'll actually have a classroom discussion about autonomous weapons. The other thing to notice is that whenever you see lots of things happening, like lots of aliens, lots of missiles, lots of radar balls, all of this is being done with cloning. So there are actually only, for this whole project, there are only 4 objects, I think, 4. There's the control station as an object, there's the radar ball, which is an object, missiles are an object, and the little aliens are an object. The other part about this project that's interesting is we are going to be using variables a lot to control when something happens. So when the missile is fired is going to be based on a variable that is set by the radar balls, and et cetera, so forth. So it's a complex project, but we're going to break it down into pieces, and I think you'll be able to keep up with me. I'm optimistic.